Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix accessory not supported in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone, you're facing the issue that your accessory is not supported. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to clean your charging port. You have to make sure that your charging port is clean. There's no any dust or any dirt in your charging port. If you might see, just try to clean this, and after that you can try to restart your iPhone if you want. It might fix your temporary glitches. So now to do this, just simply open your or simply quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until its screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here we have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to use certified accessory. You have to ensure that you're using Apple certificated MFI cables and accessories. So after doing that, you can also try to update your software to prevent any software issue. Now open your settings tab here, just go to general, go to software update, and you just have to make sure that your software is up to date. There's no any pending update for your software. If you might see, just try to update your software. Once you have updated, you have to check for damage. You have to inspect the charging cable for broken wires or any bent pins or signs of wear. If you find, you can try to change your charging cable, or you can also try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. So it might be that your issue will be fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to reset all of your iPhone settings. Now to do that, just simply open your settings tab here. Just go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then tap on reset all settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone setting because sometimes it might be that your accessories are restricted by any of your iPhone settings. It will be fixed in this step so you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.